Okay, Mr. R wanted us to learn, and I, Shelby Wright,
And Sammy.
from his third period chemistry class, have learned to an A level the following concepts, chapter 13 through 16 of our chemistry book. This is not an inclusive list, but my selection of concepts from each chapter that we will remember.
So we made a presentation, so you can click. So chapter 13, states of matter, we wrote kinetic energy, because we learned about that, is energy of an object because of its motion, so an object in motion. We put a picture of a windmill, because it produces energy when it moves. And we wrote evaporation, which is the process when such a conversion occurs at the surface of a liquid when it's not boiling. So I have a picture. Chapter 14, the behavior of gases, we wrote Boyle's law, which states that for a given mass of gas at a constant temperature, the volume of the gas varies inversely with pressure. We have a picture right there. And then we wrote the combined gas law, which allows you to do calculations for situations in which only the amount of gas is constant. And then we wrote the formula for it. Next.
Chapter 15, we learned about surface tension, which is the inward force or pull that tends to minimize the surface area of a liquid. And then we learned about a solvent, which is dissolving the medium in a solution, and the solvent dissolves the solute. The solute becomes dispersed in a solvent.
Next.
Solubility is the amount of solute dissolved in a given quantity of a solvent at specified temperature and pressure to produce a saturated solution. And molarity is to calculate the molarity of a solution. You divide the moles of solute by the volume of solution, and that's chapter 16, solutions.
Ba-dum-bum.
Bye.
Nice.